table mats. Everybody is making these complicated table mats. I thought I'd show you how easy it is to make home table mats in a couple of minutes. Got pretty good graphics on the front, so I'm going to leave those show on the mats. So I'm actually going to leave the graphics on the mats. So there we go, taking those out. What I'm going to do is take these ones that are nondescript old Christmas ones. Right, this is an old Christmas one, and I'm going to glue it onto this, and so you'll have a shiny side and you'll have this side. That's all there is to it. So it's not very hard. You just got to make sure you glue the right ones to the right discs. I have my famous LePage PL8X. So all we got to do is take one of these discs. I'll come up here closer. And just blob. I'll turn a bit. There we go. There she goes. Around here like this. Now, there you go. Let's put on, I should have put on gloves first, to be honest. Let's put on Whitney here. Right? So I'm basically doubling up, giving it a shiny side and a not so shiny side. Oop. Press them together. A little bit of finger marks. You can always wipe them afterwards. I should get a paper towel. But there you go, there's one done. Just went away and got some gloves and a paper towel. One done. This was a old Christmas CD. Here we go again. Up. You don't really need that much on these. Let's take this next one. Lovely, wipe it in my shirt again. Gotta keep my gloves fairly clean. Right, press, press, press. They're a little bit nicer when they're a bit thicker. Right, make sure these are all lovely and clean. You have a little bit of glue on this one. So there we have it. Four mats for your cups. And it's taken me, say, you know, with taking the gun out and getting the gloves, say, we'll say 10 minutes, which is okay. It took me 8, but it might take you a little longer. So there you go. Now, if you want to really finish these off, you just buy little, you can either have them this way, this up, or you can have them this way, and have 2 shiny sides out. I thought I'd do these with the names because they're well-known singers. Yeah, you can buy the kitchen door stopper and just put 1, 2, 3, 4 self-adhesive on, so you have a little stand on them. And you know, you can also, if you want to go a little bit further, you can varnish them so that they don't get scratched, or urethane them. Varnish is quite good, and you just spray it over all 4, and it'll stop the scratching of the graphics. There we go. So there's my CDs recycled within, you know, 10 minutes. They're so easy, you can just make more and more and more of them. Give them out as gifts to friends. What a nice little gift to get. Thanks for watching. See you again.